Hey guys, for this week's video, we are doing a slime smoothie. I already made all my slimes before, they're just slimes that I have, so let's get started. Our first slime that we are going to be adding in, it's one of my favorites. Actually, I don't want to do this, but we have to. Do what? Okay, why don't you grab a slime out? I'm not going to add all of this at all. Just maybe like a little bit. Did you take the lid off of that?
Yeah. It's right here.
Okay, this is my other one. It's a
that
butter
butter
slime. Yeah, my friend actually made this. I gave her all the ingredients. She's really nice. Awesome. Oh my gosh, that's sticky. Okay. Okay, next thing. Choose out our slime. Choose it out. Hurry up.
My next nut is going to be the slime.
Okay, this is my other butter slime. I really like this. And that is my brother. Oh, okay. Well, that's really hard. I'm gonna have to add some lotion to this, but yeah. One sec. I'll be right back. Okay, so the next slime is actually a store-bought slime. I got it from my friend, and I really like this. It's like the best store-bought slime you can ever get. But the reason why it's so good is because you can add lotion into it. But this is a little sticky. Okay. Adding it in. Will you grab the next slime, please?
Yeah.
I'm really excited. That's glue.
The heck.
Okay.
Slide.
Well, our next one is this one.
Let me guess.
So,
Butter slime.
no.
Turn it.
Oh my gosh, it's completely liquid. Liquidized, whatever. See this? This is goop. Not slime, goop. Okay, well.
Wait, what was this like?
Yeah. I'm just gonna dump all that one in there. Can you grab the next slime, please? You're basically my assistant.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you add the slimes in.
Butter slime.
Wrongo. Can you close that slime for me?
Yeah.
This is the same type of slime. It's just.
Sure, it's look like okay. Yeah, it is.
This is the same type of slime. It's just activated. It's actually just yeah.
Isn't that butter slime?
No, this is
It's slime.
it's flubber. Sorry. It's floppy slime, like Flarp. Okay, now I know where Flarp came from. The name. Fart and floppy. Okay, next slime. Let's choose that out. You want to pour them in or put them in? You can put this one in, all of it. Oh. Yeah, he actually made that. So.
Wait, I did?
Yeah, it's the Nickelodeon one. Piece of advice here, never get Nickelodeon.
Never.
Or slime. It's horrible. They did invent slime though.
See this?
So.
It's not slime.
So,
see, if I do this, it just breaks.
Yeah. And then you can do half of this.
Half of this mundo.
Yeah, so that one's a blue one. I've tried a new recipe and I really liked it, so. Oh my gosh, this is a slime smoothie that I made. It's slash butter slime. People have left it out all the time, so it's really hard. Okay, you want to choose out our next one? Will be. What are you doing?
Looking at the
Okay, this is another amazing slime that I made. It has a ton of glitter, which I'm not all that proud of.
slime.
If it had green glitter in it.
Ho ho ho, Mary Jail time.
Okay.
I like slime time.
Okay. Hey, that rhymes. Well, wow. If you'd like to see our thing.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, wait.
I can't see it. Oh, I
That
see
is
it
what
perfect.
it looks like. So.
It
Yeah.
looks like a mushed up ice cream cup.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so our next slime is going to be this one. I made it in a weird ingredients slime video that I posted. And yeah, I don't really like this, so. And what happened is it was weird and normal ingredients. And I did not actually make it, I just added ingredients. Extra ingredients.
That doesn't even.
It's sand. Yeah.
You put sand in it.
Yeah, that's one of the weird ingredients. Okay, the next is another store-bought slime. Got this for my friend too. It's awesome. It's just if you added a little bit more lotion, it would be even more amazing. So,
That looks like a Halloween slime.
it was actually an Easter slime.
Wow, 3 holidays in one day.
Whatever.
Christmas, Halloween, and Easter, my 3 favorite.
See, that's goop. It's complete goop. And there will be more
Gooey.
goop starting now. The goop has came.
It's a monster. Yeah, that is gooey.
This is less gooey, but yeah. I am hoping just adding a little bit more activator will help. You want to do this? Just get this one out.
Oh, that's easy.
You can.
What you do is you just.
It's really sticky
5
and
hours
so is
later.
This one. Oh, that one's not as bad. This one's actually slime. I'm so surprised. It looks really gooey.
Ouch. It won't even come
Well,
out.
this might be my shortest video ever, so I'm gonna be surprised.
Surprise.
Okay.
I think this is about it on
And-
this.
Yeah, just get it off of your hands as fast as possible. And this is what I'm gonna throw in the garbage. Be right back, peoples. Oh my gosh. String it on my jacket. Okay, this is, I know it's like goop because I made it at my friend made it at a birthday party. Hey, it's actually not as goopy as I thought it would be. Okay. Yeah. The reason why this is going to be the shortest video of ever is because I don't have a second one of these. Well, I probably won't have a second one of these. And do you want to add some of a different slime?
Sure.
Add some of this, like,
Wow.
hey, this is not actually all the way goopy. Or, I mean,
Slime.
liquid. That's what I meant. The most liquid one was the orange one. And you can do that. Just take your hands and go in it. Get into it.
Squeeze.
No! I don't want all of it gone.
That's what I'm doing.
Person. Just take your hand and pull it out. Okay, you can zip that up now. Isn't that beautiful?
Well,
It looks blue on the thing, but it's actually purple. So this is gonna be gray, isn't it?
Oh, guys.
Okay.
It's actually like a dark purple, if you can see.
Well, when I edit it, it might look purple, but yeah. Okay. We have added practically all my slimes into this. At least a little bit. So now,
wash my hands real quick. I'll be right back.
okay, we'll be right back. We'll be right back. It won't go. Hey guys, okay, what? Okay, we're back, and sorry about that interruption, but we are about to mix this. So, let's get started.
Look at all those chickens.
Do you not see this?
I mean, you guys don't,
crazy.
but yeah.
This is hard. Doing it together. We'll take turns, won't we?
Yeah.
Okay, we are adding shaving cream into it because it's like really sticky. And yeah, that is why. So, and we are actually taking turns on mixing. So
It's so hard.
Okay, we have mixed this up pretty well. This is how it is so far. I think we can add some color. So, I'm gonna do that. We have dyed it purple, and it really is amazing. This is actually a success. So, like that. And the last thing I'm gonna do is ask you to comment down below actually, it's not the last thing, but I'm gonna ask you to comment down below what type of videos you would like me to post. And the second thing is smack that like button. Or punch it, whatever, or hit it, or just do what you prefer to do. And
Definitely don't break your phone, though.
have a nice day.
Don't break your phone.
Goodbye.
Yeah, bye.